Good morning, Year 4. Today is Friday the 26th of February and you're going to have a go at your speed table test. So, in front of you on the screen, you can see your times table tests. We're going to be testing your 4s and your 6s. So, I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock and you're going to answer as many of the questions as you can. Don't forget, if you get a bit stuck on a question, see if you can switch the numbers around, because remember, multiplication is commutative, so you might be able to do it that way around instead. If not, move on to the next one, come back to it at the end if you have time. So if you need to pause the screen and write down the questions, do that now. If you've printed it, get ready. I'm going to start the timer. 2 minutes, off you go. Okay, your time's up. Pencils down, grab your blue pen and let's go through the answers. Remember, if at any point I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and rewind it. Okay, answers. Let's go through. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 times 7 is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 24 divided by 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 12 divided by 4 is, that should be 32 divided by 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Moving on to the next column, we're now on to our 6 times table. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 7 times 6 is 42. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. 7 times 6 is 42. 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 9 is 54. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 8 is 48. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 6 is 54. And 6 times 7 is 48. Now pause the video and add up your score. How many did you get right? Okay, what I would like you to do now is I'd like you to have a go at this times table game. So once you've copied the link, you need to go to your internet browser and either copy it or write it into the search bar, and then scroll down the page and it should load up for you. My sound off just so you can hear me. So you press start. Let's go. Choose your times table. So we are recapping our 4s and our 6s and continue. And the idea is we're going to create burgers to make our customers happy. We need to make 3 happy for this level. So over here are your times tables. 5 times 6 is 30. And 9 times 4, 9, 18, 27, 36. Okay, there's 1 burger completed. We've got 1 happy customer. The next one, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, another happy customer down here. Okay, let's see what happens if we go wrong. So 5 times 4, I know it's 20, but imagine if I said it was 26. Oh dear, the customer is not happy. We need 1 more happy customer and then we can progress on to the next level. So 10 times 6 I know is 60, and 4 times 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. Perfect, another happy customer. We've got to serve this last customer. 1 times 6, 6, 6 times 4, 24. Okay, we've completed that level now. Then we can go and continue on to the next level. Once you have finished that activity, I'd like you to come back to the video, and then we're going to have another try at another test to see if you can beat your score. So pause this now and go and have a go at that game. Okay, I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock. Either pause the video and write down these calculations, or if you've got them ready because you've printed them, then we can start our 2 minutes. So get your pens, pencils, and here's 2 minutes on the clock. Okay, your time is up. Pop your pencils down and grab your blue pens. Remember, if I'm speaking too fast, you can pause the video and rewind and rewatch it. So let's go through the answers. 4 times 5 is 20. 9 times 4 is 36. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 8 times 4 is 32. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 9 is 36. 8 times 4 is 32. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 4 is 16. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, next column, the sixes. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 7 is 42. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. 7 times 6 is 42. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. 9 times 6 is 54. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 6 is 42. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Now add up your score and see how you get on. Did you manage to score higher than last time? Let your teacher know. We'd be really interested to see how you get on. Well done.